Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Monday to you. Another week in the market, man. Hope y'all enjoy y'all weekend. Time to get back to trading. They got some other stuff going on with the Strait of Hormuz over there. Trump had it blocked last week. Iran opened it back up. Now they closed it back. So it's a whole lot of nonsense going on with that. Market pulled back a little bit, but seems like people still put money in the markets, not really affecting it. People ready to move forward, man. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Let's get to trading. Short list, urgent buys, urgent sales. What did I sell today? Did have a sale limit order go off. I got a lot of bank stocks. So let some of them go. Bank of Hawaii had a 52 high of 82 bucks. Can this go higher? Yes. On Yahoo Finance, the 1 year target estimate is 87 bucks. I sold at 82. Like I said, I got a lot of bank stocks, man. It's a 28.6% buy, 42% hold, 28% sell. I had a nice little bit. As you can see, I sold 9 shares at 82 bucks. Made $225 on it. $738 worth. Nice little bit to get back for me to buy some dividend stocks with some cash flow. That's where I'm headed. With this world we in, ready to retire early. The earlier I can, the better. HPP is on a tear. Didn't expect this out of this stock. I mean, not to go up this much, but I'm loving it. Still got 63 shares. That's why I say I was down in. I was buying and selling, to lower my average cost. Yes, it's going to show up as a realized gain. A loss. But remember that doing your taxes, you can carry over $3,000 a year in losses on your taxes. So say you got a $40,000 loss for 1 year. We're just going to speak. They would carry $3,000 of that loss over until the 40 grand run out, till the $40,000 exhausts itself. So that give you 12 years. Well, 13 times 3 would be 39,000. That's 13 years. You can carry over that $3,000 until the 40 grand run out. So that's one thing about the market that is good. All right, HPP right there. I'm going with MSFT, Microsoft. Still buying that at these prices. 52 high, like 556 bucks. So this still got some upside to go. I'm gonna tell you this: if this get back to the 370 range, I'm gonna go put about 10 grand in the Microsoft in this portfolio here. MSFO, also one I'm buying options on Microsoft. Pay out every week. They got like a 44% dividend yield when it brought a little fractional share here. I loaded up last week. I thought it was going, the market was going up. I brought an additional 200 shares. I got 100. You got 1,300. As you can see, 100.69 shares at $12.91 and 100.61 shares at $12.92. I loaded up good, just a half. I see anything below that, I'm just dollar cost average on in. This gonna go back up to, it paid 7 cents a share this week. I'm gonna show you the 52-week high. Get out of history. $52-week high of 1875. Even this is go to 15 bucks. That is good at these prices. Just keeping it for the cash flow. Microsoft, not gonna let you down. Whirlpool came down to 53.75 today. Added a little piece of that on. Dividend 7.83%. Whirlpool could come down. Got a 52-week low of 50.41. They lowering the price target on it. I'm just dollar cost average on in and hit it for a swing trade to get up out of it. Some people gonna keep it for the dividend. It's on you. I'm gonna get up out of it. Just giving y'all that play. Got earned. We're gonna go in at $4.53. I brought a couple shares, had some buy limit orders go on through, but put your buy limit order. I put a buy limit order at 453 for 10 shares. SRLN, 25 to 28 cents a share a month. It's got over 7% dividend yield. Pays out every month. Trades between 39.39 and 41.67. Say 6.63, but it's actually 7. Even at that rate, that's still good. Just for you to get paid for holding shares. We're gonna go with Hood. Robinhood got down to 86.91. 86.19. So anytime that pull back, get some Robinhood. 52-week high on Robinhood is 153.86. Even Robinhood go to 120. And stays there for a while. You still got a good return on your money. SVOL, I went in, just paid 28 to 30 cents a share every month. Got like a 21 or 22% dividend yield somewhere in there. When they added some of that on, you could put that on a dollar a day recurring, man, and let that just buy. You'll be fine with that one, especially for the cash flow. And then when the market pull back, you just double down, quadruple down, to be honest. HRL 2108, Hormel Food went in at that price. 31.86, 52-week high, 5.49% dividend yield. You know they're a dividend king. GIS, another one I went and brought some of. Got a good payout history. $35 I went in at that price. 6.79% yield. Netflix pulling on back. So you can dollar cost average on in, give you a second chance to buy. I got to look at my average cost. I think it's in like the 90, late 80s, early 90s. But I'm going to see $134.12. 52-week high, still a 71% buy. Netflix not going anywhere. Make sure you get some NFLY. This is the one I'm buying every day. Instead of buying the stock, buying the options, getting paid every week. Got it on $3 a day recurring. So when I'm not looking, it's still buying. I did buy additional $2 worth a day. ORC, I'm going to hit this for a swing trade around about 734, 7668 or something. I put a buy limit order for 5 shares at 690. Brought a bunch of shares last week in the 680s range. I'm going to swing trade this. They reduced the dividend to 10 cents a share a month instead of 12 cents. That's why it's coming on down. But, you know, people just panic selling. Why, I don't know. It's for cash flow. But I'm going to swing trade it anytime it go below that $7 mark. Cause I know it's going to ride back up to at least to $7.40. You can scalp profit, keep the rest for the dividend, or exit the whole position, rinse and repeat just in case. I'll scalp the profit. And if it goes back down, rinse, repeat. Tellus, when I bought $3 of this today, 16.74 is the high, 9.73% yield. They lowered the price target to $19 from $20, so still got room to go. Actually, I'm gonna put this on a recurring investment. Every day, $2 worth. Buy up my buying power. Continue, no backup. So I'm not looking at it to be buying Tellus, especially at the 13 and under mark. And on days it's down, I go buy some more. That's everything I had on my list today. Let's go check out traps, man. We get on out of here. Think about setting a 52-week high sell limit order on Bank of America. Like I say, trying to get that cash flow, man. I don't know how much more you're going to get out of bank stocks. Bank of America probably one you can. Wells Fargo, U.S. Bank, Citigroup. Like I said, I'm going to start buying the credit card companies. All right, we're at 157 with this one. Waiting on this to pull back. If it does, buy limit orders at 132. 132 and under. Right now I'm up, so I'm gonna let it stay there and get that dividend it pays out. CHMI, make sure I got my sell order there too. I think it was at 286. Holding it for the dividend, 884 shares at 286. I might need the 331 is the high. Might need to scalp profits at that price. I think that's what I'm gonna do. But I was gonna put this into a monthly dividend play. I got a lot of REITs, man. This is a swing trade. Nothing I really want to keep for the long haul, to be honest. But just my luck. As soon as I sell it, it's gonna go right past the $3 mark. So I think I'm gonna go in and do that. 196 on this one. RC Ready Capital. Another one I'm gonna make my exit. Hitting the swing trade on. Got HRZ and PFLT. Those on recurring every day, $2 worth. So you ain't got to buy those. A lot of stuff like that. Just got it on recurring so it can lower my average cost when I'm not looking. I need to look at XDTE and QDTE. So that should have been up in these by 9. NASDAQ, they got to go up some more. 29 at 30. Got this on like $2 a day, $1.25 recurring investments. Like I say right now, you just be cashing up. Facebook down 1.68%. Up in that one. So leave that alone. MicroStrategy been doing good, back up in the $25 range. And I started winning Hoodie, HOOW, or HOOW. I want this one to go. If Robinhood come back down, I'm loading up on this one, especially if it hit 22 bucks. Robinhood was to fall hard. But of this one, I'm just buying like $2 a day recurring. All the way until Robinhood make it $120. That's it, y'all. Signing off. Go get your money. Enjoy your day.